Mutugo wa amwe ya aciari a athuri gutiganiria ureri wa ciana ciao ni ukireirwo ni atongoria ritana rigeikio kuri athuri gutema itemi riria riri riao thiini wa ureri niguo guteithiriria ciana gukura na njira iria yagiriire.
They told me they lack mentors. Their fathers and their uncles are absent. So where are the men?
Ritana riri riikitio ni Mucirithania munene Martha Koome igongona-ini ria gukungwira miaka 18 kuma riria thukuru wa airitu wa Starehe wambiriirie kuria ningi oritie muingi kuhimbiria mwana wa kahi uria kwa ihinda akoretwo atiganiirio.
What is the problem of the boy child? We want to understand so that we can support them, so that we can walk hand in hand with our boys. We don't want to leave them behind.
Arutani thukuru-ini uyu ona gukiri uguo ni maikitie ihoya kuri thirikari hamwe na ministry ya githomo kuongerera namba ya arutani thukuru-ini uyu niguo mathomo makinyanire na njira iria yagiriire.
In a year we have 3 fundraising activities. We have the annual golf, we have the annual dinner, and we have the annual charity dinner and walk.
Thukuru uyu uri na arutwo matanyihiire 800 urugamiriri waguo ugitariria kurumirira namba nini ya arutani mathomo makoretwo makigucia.
There's great work that is going on here, and you should not let trustees to suffer to see how they can hire teachers when the government can actually give us teachers.
We consider the registration of the school. So I don't know whether it's registered as a 3 streams or 4 stream school, but it's good if it is registered as a 3 streams or 4 streams, then we need to apply to the County Education Board for the registration so that we can ensure we give optimum number of teachers that are required.
Hamwe noguo thukuru uyu wendekithitie makorwo makiongererwo kigina makiria amu kaingi mehokaga uteithio kuma kuri andu a wendi mwega uteithio ria maugite ni ucokete thi
kuma ciana 72 tu 800 ri ni turanidi dormitories cia kumaiga ni turanidi irio cia kumaheo muthenya na muno makiria arimu
handu-ini ha KAMEME TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.